Hey, sugar. Hey everybody, it's Robert Jones back in the kitchen with you today. I'm very excited. I have some people coming over, some friends coming over for a meeting in a little while. And I have been wanting to try something since December. If you guys recall, I was in Amsterdam before Christmas, and my sister and I had gone to a fabulous place called Heifer Cafe, or Cafe Heifer. It's in the central station area of Amsterdam. And there we stumbled upon a most fabulous brunch, lunch, breakfast. I think it was more like a lunch. Anyway, it's a brasserie, and check this out. These two boards are going to be the serving vessels for today's activity. I'm going to serve a charcuterie platter. Let me set these down. I'm going to serve a charcuterie platter to my friends. It's kind of like a giant deli plate. It's going to have meats, and it's going to have cheeses, and it's going to have vegetables, and it's going to have fruits and nuts and all kinds of good stuff on it. Here's some pictures of when I was in Amsterdam. Check it out. Are you enjoying Taylor Swift in Amsterdam?
I really am. How are you?
Me too. My sister and I were so happy after eating that. I wanted to share it with you, and I haven't had an opportunity to make this yet. And I'm going to have lots of different things going on this. So let me go through a rundown of what's going on here. Alright you guys, we're down here on the boards. They do separate. Boop, boop. And I thought I would introduce what is all going to go on here. My goal is to make two separate boards, one cheese-ish, one meat-ish, like the ones that I had in Amsterdam. So let me show you what I bought. So I've got some prosciutto, I've got some jamon, which is kind of a Spanish thing, all made in the USA, but and two types of salami. It's going to go on there. I've also got some regular American style or Danish style ham, which is just kind of a lean cut. We've also got some mozzarella, which is like a big giant bologna with fat and pistachios. I also have some Munster cheese. I've also got some blue Stilton from Britain, I believe. Yes, product of England, you can see right there. And I've also got some Canadian cheddar. Go Canada! In addition to that, I've also got two types of bagels. I thought I'd slice these up and warm them. They just looked good to me when I was at the store. I've also got some tandoori garlic naan. This black is not mold, it's char marks from the oven. Maybe it looks better that way. So I'm going to chop these up. On the sauce team, we've got some olive tamponade. I've got some spicy vinegar sauce. I've got some mayploy, which actually was on the Amsterdam tray. I thought it was really funny. It's a spicy chili sauce. Where is it from? Product of Thailand. If you watched the introduction video, we got some spicy mustard. I've got some pickle slices. And lastly, we have some Greek salad. So let's do some slicing and dicing and get stuff chopped up, and that way when we do the actual assembly, that's the word I'm looking for, when we actually do the assembly, it won't be so difficult. So let's put some sauces in jars and go from there. Okay, we've got our Greek salad, some spicy vinegar with a tiny travel spoon, some mayploy, which is the spicy chili sauce, olive tapenade, German spicy mustard with, not spicy, just seedy mustard. Now, as you guys can see, these are stackers. I love these because they go great on sandwiches.
I'm going to dice these into pieces.
Pickles. Alright, as you can see here, I just have some of the naan bread. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it up into smaller pieces so it's easier to eat. And then also the bagels. And I'll put those in the oven when people get here, so they'll be fresh and warm when everybody gets here. So I'm just going to make these into kind of bite-size strips. Put the bread in here. And then just going to make bagel slices, I think. Just to show you. I'm just making some slices. And now you can see, perfect sliced everything. I'll put some aluminum foil over this and just pop in the oven for a couple minutes when they get here. Now I'm just going to open the meats so that they're ready to go. Ham is being tricky. Prosciutto. Oh, see this? That's a tester. And the last one here. Oh, not the last one. Meats. Alright, of course the ham is being difficult. So. Squeeze out the juice. Good to go. And now the shizzes. Munster is easy, it has a zip top. Let's see, cheddar is a little more difficult. Cheddar! And the Stilton. Smells, well, and tastes amazing. Here's a trick with your Stilton. Try to keep something under it because it gets really crumbly. I'm going to take my knife and I'm just going to make some slices. And I find that blue cheese is one of those things you either love it or you hate it. Sorry, Paul, but I love it. And it's also easier to slice if it's cold, like it is now, just out of the fridge. Because once it gets warm, it's a mess. And then I'm just going to make some sticks of cheddar. Sticks of cheddar. Alright. Sticks of cheddar. Alright, you guys, this is a new board. It's unseasoned in any way. So what I thought I'd do is I'd take a little bit of canola oil or whatever kind of vegetable oil you have, and I'm just sealing the wood a little bit with the oil on here. So I just put a little bit of oil, just take a paper napkin, and just smoothing it around. So as you can see, it's making the wood look a little bit darker and nicer and more rich. So this is just to give it a little nice look and to protect the wood a little bit from the food products. Okay, so I'm going to try to start here with the meats. What I want to try to do is I want to try to make little florets of meat. I just did it like that. You can see it gives it a nice look. And I'm just going to start at one edge. You can do whatever you want to do. So I'm just taking it and folding it in thirds, making a little high pile. Trying to fold the inner cut edge on the inside so it looks nicer. My idea here is to put the olive tapenade in the middle of the little fan fold so it looks nice. Like a little flower. Then I'm going to do some ham. So I'm doing just kind of a diagonal roll just to make them look nice. And the prosciutto. Now the prosciutto comes with paper between it, which is nice because then you can just kind of make a, if you just twirl it, you can make a nice little rosette. If you look at it, it's got the fat. I think if you twirl it and make it look nice, you can make it look like a rose. There's a small end and a big end. I'm starting with a small end inside, giving it a twist, and then placing it into the bouquet. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust this and move it around. Remember, this is a fun project. And then we've got the other kind of prosciutto, which I'm going to put on the other side. The jamon. Oh, it smells so, smells really garlicky. Hey, sugar. Unless there's something special that you want, I think I've got everything else. I've got wine. I've got some other kinds of wine. I got mixer. But I've got tea. I've got coffee. I've got juice. I got blah 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 blah. Oh, yes. I was just gonna drink some wine that I brought back from Europe, if you'd like, or whatever you want. Okay.
Wine from Europe does sound kind of amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, perfect. See you then. Bye. Okay, phone call's over. Okay, so let's see, what else can we get on here? I think we can get some salamis on here. So let's try doing some little salami rolls. I think I'm gonna put the mustard over here and put the salamis around the mustard. This is your project. Don't be afraid. Try something new. So again, I'm just folding these in quarters and just making a little floury thing. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Look at those. Yum. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put this on there like that. Boom. So on this cheese board, I wanted to also put some nuts. So I have an antique little banana vase thing here, and these are just some nuts that my sister gave me in Europe. Thought they would go perfect on here. Put this on. Let's see what I got. We got Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts, walnuts, and pecans. Looks pretty good there. And then I thought I'd build the cheese around that. Some Stilton wedges, braced out a little bit maybe, tilted. Again, do it the way you like it. Then I also had some Munster. I like Munster. It's just a good, mild cheese. Almost everybody likes it. Looks pretty good. Just a little pile of cheese, a little sunshine. And then I think I'll put the sweet sauce down here because that'll go with the cheese really well. Or maybe I'll put it over here. And here's my trick. Turn all the spoons the same direction. I have a little bit of prosciutto left. I'm going to put it on here. What the heck? I'm just going to freeform it. Freeform it. Oh, smells good. Alright, 2 more pieces. Because can you really have too much? And because I have them and they're in season, I'm going to put a couple oranges because people will eat oranges. Believe me. Stickers off. Fill up the space. Make it look nice. Check this out. We're going to putting this on the table. Remember our bread tray? We're going to be serving all of this together. Just because I'm classy, I'm adding 1 little thing of chocolates to the end here as well. There you go. Here's the whole thing. Let me put it on the table and we'll take another look. Okay everybody, here is my finished table setting for my friends tonight for our meeting. We have all of our goodies laid out here. I'll point to stuff. Of course we got our bagels and our naan bread. We've got our Munster cheese. We've got the prosciutto di Parma. We've got 2 types of salami, one with pepper, one with no pepper. We've got another jamon, which is like prosciutto from Spain. We've got our mortadella. We've got oranges. We've got our Greek salad. We got some pickles. We got some spicy sauce, nuts, cheddar cheese, our Stilton, our Mayploy. Did I miss anything? Oh, and we are having a special wine this evening. It is Chateau Turner 2014, which was a gift. Oh wait, it's not wine. It's Damson gin. I totally lied. Thank you, Pam and Ken, for this, and we're going to give this a whirl tonight. So, alright you guys, I'm not going to stick my face down here and eat anything today because we're still waiting for people to get here. But as you can imagine, it's going to taste good. Alright. enjoy. I hope you guys try this. And don't be afraid. Do what you want to do. If you don't like how I did it, do it how you do. Thanks, you guys. Whew. It's not that much work. Mostly, if you can open packages, you can make this. I think my friends are really going to enjoy it. My friend Lori always says she's making a deli platter. Well, I'm doing a deli platter, Lori, just making it a little bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If so, give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends, share the video, let everybody know. I'm trying to build a bigger audience, and your support will help. Come on to Facebook if you want to check out the fan page. Also, hit subscribe, hit the like button, all that kind of stuff. And check out the other channel if you want. It's called Struggle Soup. STRUGGLESOUP, all one word, right here on YouTube. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoy this. Take care. Bye.